Okay, so we're going to move into the week of 3/6 through 3/12. And we have this full moon week. And this is the week that Saturn is going to move into the sign of Pisces, okay? And so the full Virgo moon is going to be on Tuesday, the 7th, but you know that it builds up to it a few days before. So you really need to be paying attention to it the weekend before as it builds, because full moons, you know, it makes everybody a little nutty. And this is a full Virgo moon, and Virgo is very precise, and it wants a sense of organization, which is cool that we're going to be moving towards spring cleaning. It also, sometimes it can be a little bit harsh on itself. So making sure that you are aware of that, and that your inner voice, that you make sure that you're being kind to yourself, okay? So Monday the 6th, something needs to be said, but not yet. Plan it, write it out. Are you being too judgmental, especially on yourself? Okay. Virgo is associated with the Virgin, right? And sometimes that sense of purity, sometimes we can get caught up in judgment of others or judgment of self. So just be aware of that. So then we move into the full moon on Tuesday, the 7th. Contemplate options, but don't push. Dream big. This is Pisces season. Pisces does everything big. Okay. Wednesday, the 8th, don't push too hard with others or people, please. Now, let's not get into that. Just rest. This is our rest. This is our chance to rest, so take it. On the 9th, things start to lighten up, especially with the opposite sex. We had some things going on with, we had some squares going on with Mercury, and with Mars. So just be careful with the opposite sex, and it will lighten up by Thursday. On Friday the 10th, you're not in charge. Roll with the changes, okay? I just want to look at my little handy dandy computer system here and look at the 10th. And so the moon will be in Libra. It's close to the past life point, the south node. And yeah, there's a lot of consolidated energy. There's a lot of fogginess with the sun really close to Neptune. That's going to be a theme all month. The sun is going to be really close to Neptune. Pluto is squaring the moon. So I think that's some of why I said you're not in charge. Pluto is a power source, and it's making an aspect to the moon. So roll with the changes, because change is the key word when Pluto is involved. We will head into a Scorpio weekend, the weekend of the 11th and 12th. I speak of Scorpio weekends, so I love Scorpio weekends. So be humble and flexible, and you might just have a sexy Scorpio weekend, because Scorpio does rule sex. It does rule change. It does rule beginnings and ends, but it also rules that deep emotion. So try to enjoy. Pay attention as Saturn moves into Pisces, and note how that is affecting you, how you feel, okay? Especially if you are a Pisces. So Saturn to Pisces, Saturn loves structure. Pisces loves limitlessness. Should be an interesting 2.5 years, all right? Okay.